Hello traders everywhere, Jeremy Lutz coming to you from the digital studios of Market Club. And the semiconductor stocks are falling after a ruling that Qualcomm used its dominant position to exact excessive licensing fee. In fact, Qualcomm's down over 12% on the day, and that's pulled other chip stocks much lower, which has in turn pulled the overall stock market down into negative territory on the day, albeit not too deep at this point. But we'll start with the S&P 500. Take a look at the chart, and as you can see, right now we're trading at 2,852.49, down about 0.4% on the day, and our chart analysis score remains negative 55, indicating that we're still in a sidelines position based on the red weekly trade triangle that triggered back here on the 7th of the month. Key level to watch moving forward remains 2,954.13. Move above that level would issue a green weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a possible long position for the S&P 500. Dollar index right now with a chart analysis score plus 85 had been in negative territory, traded as high as 98.12. It's kind of relatively unchanged at the moment, trading at 98.05. Key level to watch remains 97.13. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move to a sidelines position for the US dollar. Dow Jones, currently with a chart analysis score negative 55, down about 0.4% on the day, a little over 100 points, trading at 25,765.54. Key level to watch remains 26,695.96. A move above that level would give us a green weekly trade triangle for the Dow Jones. NASDAQ down right now about 0.5%, a little bit more, with obviously being tech heavy. Chart analysis scored negative 70, indicating that we're in a sidelines position for the NASDAQ, trading at 7,743.45 on the day. And your key level to watch is 8,176.08. A move above that level would issue a green weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a long position for the NASDAQ. Crude oil right now trading at 61.18, down about 2.25% on the day, with a chart analysis score plus 55, indicating that we are in a sidelines position for crude oil. It issued a red daily trade triangle yesterday at 62.70. Key level to watch moving forward would be 63.61. A move above that level would issue a green daily trade triangle, indicating a move back to a long position for crude oil. Note, we did change this chart to the July contract. Moving along to gold, currently trading at 1,274.50 with a chart analysis score of negative 65, indicating that we are in a sidelines position for gold. Currently down, actually relatively unchanged on the day. Key level to watch would be 1,277.70. A move above that level would issue a green daily trade triangle, indicating a move back to a short-term long position for gold. Take a look at Bitcoin, who is steady after the big drop. Currently relatively unchanged on the day, but still trading right below that $8,000 level at 7,926.07 with a chart analysis score plus 75, indicating that overall we're still in a long-term uptrend for Bitcoin. Key level to watch remains 5,071.58. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move to a sidelines position for Bitcoin. We'll back out here real quick, and we'll just go take a look at the Qualcomm chart real quick, and that I keep in my tech stocks portfolio, my portfolio manager, and we'll use our filter up here in the corner to narrow down Qualcomm. And as you can see, right now about 12.1% on the day, with a chart analysis score negative 70. If you're a Market Club trader, you know you're out on the 20th at $80 with a nice little profit from the last entry point. Currently trading at 68.31. With that, every success. Have a great trading day, and I'll be back on Friday to give you some key levels to watch next week.